Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ibrahim View. In our last class, we talked about HTML basics. So today we are going to be talking about Favicon. Please like, comment, and make sure you watch it to the end because I'll be showing some tips about Favicon. So please, you are welcome to this channel once again. So this year over year, I'll teach you and I'll guide you step by step on how you should know HTML full course. So let's go to our housekeeping. So like I said, you have to make sure you watch our last class video. So we actually talk about housekeeping over there. So create a new folder. It should be what? Favicon. It should be what? Favicon. So now, so let's get straight into it. So now, what is Favicon? I actually have a note over here. So I have a note over here. It said a favicon is a small icon displayed in the browser tab next to the page title. Now, if this is what it's actually talking about, so this is a favicon next to the what? To the page title. Over here, this is also called what? A favicon. So let's continue. Okay. He said it helps users to easily identify your website among multiple open tabs. So over here, if I actually come here, I click on Facebook. So I also click on netflix.com. So over here we have multiple tabs. So with the help of Favicon, I can easily identify, okay, this is Facebook, okay, this is Netflix, and this was what? A Google. So now let's get straight into it. So now, if you want to make use of Favicon, we have rules and regulation on how you can use it. So now, please, you can make use of an image or an icon. So if you actually make use of an image, by default, image used to have height and width. So we're still going to talk about it in the future where I'm going to be showing you the height and width of an image. So if you want to make use of an image on your Favicon, it should be what? 16 by 16, and it should be what? 32 by 32 pixels. So now let's just go to Google and download. Okay, let me take this off. Let me also take this off. So open new tab. So for the sake of this video, I'll be making use of what? Netflix logo. So just go to anywhere in your video. Oh, sorry, I spelled it wrong. So just go to anywhere. Just go to anywhere and download any logo you feel like. So I guess I'll be using this. So save image. So go to your housekeeping and come over here in your folder. Just let me just name it. It should be what? Netflix logo. So click on what? Save. So let's come over here. Now I'm having what? I'm having this. So now this is how I arrange my image. So I actually don't like it this way. Instead, how did I arrange it? I will have to create a folder and create another folder and put the image inside, so it's going to look nice. So now how can you do it? So this one is going to be a what? A new file. Why this one is going to be what? A new folder. So you have to click on this, then create what? Statics. So open it, then you have to create a new folder as well, which is going to be what? Image. You can give it write like this, or you can also write what? IMG, anyone you feel like. So another thing is that if you notice you actually create a statics and you have an image, and instead it should be like this, but it's actually like this. So now come to your settings. Come to your settings. So settings, so type compact, so compact folder. So let me show you what I mean. So if let me turn this on, so can you see this? So can you see this? So let me turn it off. Can you see this? So make sure you turn it off. So let's just take this, drag it inside it. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we need to create our what index.html. So this one is going to be what new file, and please don't try and make a mistake and try and create it inside there. Instead, make sure you close this folder. So if you want to create an index.html, you just have to click on this, then click on new file, then it's going to be what index with what extension .html. So let me close this tab. So shortcut on how you can close this tab, you can make use of what command B. So command B for open, command B for close. If you are, that's for Mac. So if you are using Windows, you have to make use of what shift B. So now we need to write our HTML declaration, so which is going to be what doc type, so lowercase HTML. You can actually make use of lowercase, but it's still going to work. But best practice, make use of what uppercase for this doc type, and this one is going to be what lowercase. So we need to write our what HTML root, HTML. So this one is going to be what language is going to be what English. So we need to write the head. After the head, we need to write the title. The title is going to be what Favicon. So class. So we need to create our web page body. So we just this, sorry. So let me just have a nice. So over here I need to say what h1 is going to be what welcome. So Favicon class. So yeah, so you can, since it's still on, but you can just click on it, just click on go live. Now you should be having what you should be having this. So now we actually want to change this, so change it to a what to the Netflix logo we actually download. So now, so you come over here. So let me take this off, so let me open this tab, command B. So over here you have to type what link. You can actually arrange it anywhere you feel like. You can write it over here, it does not matter. So but let me just put it this way. So link, so you look for the one that has what Favicon, so just use the shortcut. So HRES stands for what hypertext reference. We are still going to be talking about it in our next class, so make sure you like, subscribe and comment. So now over here, so take this off. Okay, equals to, so take this off. So now the image, the Netflix logo is inside what statics, then is inside this image. So these are, you can call it inside this double quote, you are going to say what statics, then image and this. Okay, these are, you can do it. So Ctrl S. So if you have this, now we are having our what Favicon. So if you actually notice something like this, actually having a white background, so let's remove it. So we have what we called remove BG. So remove BG, make sure you have an account with them. So make sure you have an account with them. So upload the image. So upload the image. Okay, so over here, okay, statics, image and this, then upload. So let me close this. So it's actually removing the background. So now it's done. So you can just go straight and what download it. So let me come back here to my download. So copy desktop, over here, then paste it here. So let's come back here. Now we are having this, so let me just delete this. Okay, sorry, so let's just delete it. Okay, so I'll let this too long, so let's rename it. So just keep it simple. Now, so now let's actually change it. So you can just take this off. It's going to be what? Netflix logo. So if you come over here, so now we are having what? We are having a nice Favicon. So with the help of what? Remove BG, we can able to remove any background on our image. So make sure you make use of this, and so this is everything you have to know about what Favicon. And I repeat, please, in our last class I'll be teaching you how we can talk about hyperlink. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe so I can keep making good videos like this. Thank you. See you next time.